Learn Kiswahili, singular and plural, umoja na wingi. So here we have singular and then this side we have plural. Stone, jiwe. Stones, mawe. Eye, jicho. Eyes, macho. Tooth, jino. Teeth, meno. Ear, sikio. Ears, masikio. Carpet, zulia. Carpets, mazulia. Desk, dawati. Desks, madawati. Exercise, zoezi. Exercises, mazoezi. Flower, ua. Flowers, maua. Egg, yai. Eggs, mayai. Mango, embe. Mangoes, maembe. Please go to YouTube